Permutations. A permutation is an arrangement of objects or events in which order is important. So combinations order was not important. Permutations order is important. And a factorial is the product of all whole numbers except 0 that are less than or equal to a number. So, in how many different orders can you arrange the letters A, B, and T? We are going to use a list to find the possible permutations. Alright, so we can order them just as they're given, A, B, T. We can start with the B first, A, T, or start with the T first, and then do A, B. Okay? Or we can switch on the first one, the T and the B, so we have A, T, B. We can switch the T and the A on the second one, so we have B, T, A. Or we can switch the B and the A on the third one and have T, B, A. So there are 6 ways to order the letters. Mary, Rob, Carla, and Eli are lining up for lunch, and how many different ways can they line up for lunch? So, because there are 4 of them, there are 4 choices for first position. There are 3 choices for second position. There are 2 choices for third position. And there's 1 choice for last position. And then we just multiply. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 1 is 24. That is a permutation with a factorial. That looks like sometimes this, 4 and an exclamation mark. When you see 4 and an exclamation mark, you go 4 times 3 times 2 times 1.